Whoa! Where did that stinky breath come from? As a dog owner, you know dogs will stick their mouths in anything, causing uncontrollable, smelly breath. Cleaning your dog's mouth is difficult. And did you know that 90% of the bacteria that causes bad breath is found on the tongue? But how do you clean your dog's tongue? You don't. You let the dog do it itself.
Hi, I'm Deirdre Wilson, introducing Pooch Smooch, the revolutionary 360-degree tongue cleaner for your dog. Just apply our delicious made-in-the-USA Pooch paste to the brush and let your Pooch do all the work.
Our Pooch Smooch brush has over 1,500 bristles and 4 scrapers made to scrape away blackened bacteria that live deep inside the tongue.
Pooch Smooch is a great, convenient way to eliminate the odor-causing bacteria on your pet's tongue. When this bacteria is swallowed, it enters the bloodstream and can cause kidney, liver, or heart disease, and even cancer in your dog. Poor oral hygiene can dramatically reduce your dog's lifespan. As a veterinary professional, I know how difficult it is to clean your dog's mouth. Pooch Smooch makes it easy.
It's perfect for dogs big or small. And when it's time to clean, the Pooch brush is dishwasher safe. Pooch paste is made in the USA with delicious natural ingredients and bacteria-fighting enzymes that are strong enough to clean your dog's tongue and safe enough to swallow.
We put Pooch Smooch to the test with these real-life dog owners.
Oh, you smell so good.
I think the minute he heard the package opening, he'd come running.
Yeah, it smells a lot better.
It worked immediately.
If it's this easy, I would definitely do it every day.
Don't wait. It's not too late to start improving your dog's oral health.
You'll get a Pooch brush and 2 bottles of made-in-the-USA Pooch paste in peanut butter and chicken flavors for just $19.95. Order now and we'll double your Pooch paste totally free. Good for up to 120 uses. This offer's not available in stores, so you gotta order now. Go to getpoochsmooch.com.